Burton and South Derbyshire College is a general FE college, very much at the heart of technical vocational education. As part of that technical vocational focus and increasingly wanting to bridge the skills gap for our learners, create opportunities, we realised that we had very little experience of the turbocharged areas of certainly based around media. So motion capture we were aware of it, we just didn't have the resources, so therefore our experience of it was limited. One of the things we did was cast a net, trying to find out who was doing really good work, what were good resellers, what kit we could buy, and we very quickly realised that everything came back to Target 3D. Since we've been working with Target 3D, doing visits to the studios, talking to the staff, we've realised that it's a fantastic solution. Under the Stronger Towns Fund, we'd looked at games development. We are lucky enough to work with a really strong partner in terms of Platonic Games. We knew we had good intake, we knew we had a very strong level 3 programme, but we're now validating a higher education course. But creating the initial assets, the supplementing the animation, the VFX, was a key driver.
The main use for us in our vocational area of creative media and games will be to import animation directly into engines.
But of course, as soon as we started looking into the system, we realised it had got far more uses than that.
The most interesting thing, I think, is being able to facilitate realistic motion, not just to sort of analyse it, but to bring that into games for character animation, hand animation, all the things which traditionally take a much longer time to do that keyframe wise. Burton's quite a small town and it's a brewing town, so it doesn't have a lot of sort of digital based, especially media based industry. However, there are a lot of youngsters who want to go into those areas, and so to provide them with those up-to-date skills is a real bonus for us.
It was also about connecting businesses. That community and that sense of connecting industry sectors and creating solutions not just for our learners and our students, but also for the employers and partners that we work with. We've already had huge amounts of inquiries about what we can do with this, what kind of work we can do collaboratively, what innovative solutions can we find, how it benefits research, and that's a real game changer for us and something that bolsters not only our curriculum but our partnerships. It's really exciting for us. It means that all of the platforms that we now use, whether it's provision and developing higher level provision in those areas, working across sectors and developing content, 3D content for VR platforms, creating solutions for sustainability and crossing over sector barriers.